Hello guys, Philip here and welcome in your development update video from Solidity and Ethereum course. So let's take a look together what lectures I have added into the course. So the newest features of the course is a marketplace page, and on the marketplace page we are displaying the bar where we are displaying the account number of the user and also the network the user is connected to. So currently I'm connected to my private network called Ganache, but I can change the network in my MetaMask and I can connect to any network and this will be reflected. I can display here currently on which network I'm connected to, and also the error message that I am connected to the wrong network because the application will work only on the Ganache network. So this handled, and also the other things here is the purchase button. We are displaying here form of the purchase. Okay, and also of course the account changes, we are reflecting the account changes, also the network changes at the real time. And when the user will, for example, log out, it will display here, we'll hide the account number and the button connect here is here. So we need to reconnect again. Also, when I will go to private window, then there is a different message here. First, we are loading. If we have MetaMask installed, when the MetaMask will resolve into false, we are displaying the message here and install MetaMask. Okay, so that's from visual perspective. There is lots of code I have implemented. It's already added into the lectures. Lots of hook functions with the setting up hooks and the provider. Okay, so we have a Web3 provider. It's defined here. Okay, and the specific hooks are defined here. So we have here setup hooks function, which is setting up just currently two hooks, use account and use network. And both of these hooks are working with use SWR hook, which is used for fetching of the data through Web3 library. And then we have here also we have here functions to watch for the changes or for events. And when the events of the accounts will change, then we are mutating the current state the same with the use network. But that's just a very short preview. There is much more functionalities already implemented and planned for the next lecture. So guys, course academy.enco.com, it's already here. Still more than 100 lectures are planned to be added here, and around 20 lectures will be added today or tomorrow. All right guys, so see you around. Cheers.